Good evening, everyone. You're welcome to the day 5 of our PowerPoint training series. So today we are going to be talking about advanced presentation option, slide master view, creating photo album, then adding call out to images. So that is what we're going to be talking about this evening. And then today, this should wrap up the PowerPoint training. So in the future, all I need to do is to be giving tips and other areas that probably have not been touched. So sit back and follow along. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel Damitech Up on YouTube, and continue to be on the lookout for more videos that will be posted in the future. Thank you very much. Advanced presentation option. Now, advanced presentation option contains different aspects of advanced aspects of PowerPoint presentation. There are many things to keep in mind when giving a presentation. How long will your presentation last? What will you say? If you are not in the same location as your audience, how will they view it? So these are part of the things. PowerPoint offers several tools to help you ensure your presentation goes smoothly. So right now we are going to learn how to rehearse and record our slideshow in advance. We also learn about alternative presentation options, such as creating a video, how to create a video file of your presentation, then how to broadcast your presentation to a remote audience, then how to also create handouts to your presentation and also customize it with hidden or rearranged slides. So those are part of what we are going to talk about tonight. So let's proceed. Rehearse and record slide. To rehearse and to record slide. It is good practice to rehearse your presentation before you present it to your audience. This will help you to perfect area you are not be able to perfect, to boost your confidence. It helps you to articulate yourself better when you are in front of audience. You can use PowerPoint rehearse timing features to advance your slide while you practice presenting. So if you are unable to present your slideshow, so PowerPoint records slideshow feature allow you to record narration. So let's go. Rehearsing slideshow timings. Now, rehearsing timing can be useful if you want to set up a presentation to play at certain speed without having to click through the slides to present it. Let me give you an instance. If I put this into slideshow, just watch for maybe a minute or so. I want to turn it to slideshow. Let's say it automatically plays by itself. Okay, so that's just an example which I've shown us right now. This PowerPoint presentation has been rehearsed to play automatically. That's what I just showed you right now. So to rehearse timing, what do we do? Simply click on slideshow, which I am on slideshow tab. Then from slideshow tab, go to setup group. You are in setup group right here. Setup group. Then click rehearse timing. Rehearse timing. Simply click on rehearse timing. Now, the moment I click on rehearse timing, automatically the slide has started to record. Now, if you see towards the top left hand side, you will see there is a recording that is already ongoing on this particular slide. So that is that's once that is done, you practice presenting your slide. So if I want to practice with this now, I can now practice with this slide as the time is recording. So practice presenting your slideshow. When you are ready to move to the next slide, click next button on the recording toolbar. Here is next button. So this arrow here, that's the next button. Just click on it on the recording toolbar. Then the slide will automatically move to the next slide. So now let's continue. When you've reached the end of your slide, I think if you've reached the end of your slideshow, for instance, if I'm done rehearsing with this slide, all I simply need to do is click on escape key. So just click on escape. Now you see what happens. The moment I click on escape, it brought this dialog box. Said the total time for your slideshow is 1 minute and 25 seconds. Do you want to save this new slide timing? Yes or no? So if you are okay with it, click yes. If not, click no. So if you click no, it means you have to go back to it again. And if you need more than one try to get the timing, so you can just click on the no, and you can also pause it. Maybe you want to pause. There is also a key for pause there. Let's go back again. So assuming I want to pause, I can pause it here, right here. I can resume recording. You can also repeat. You can go back and repeat yourself. So that is that. Now the next is recording your slide. Recording your slide or record your slideshow. So the record slideshow features is similar to rehearse timing features. Yeah, they are similar to each other, but it's more comprehensive. So if you have microphone for your computer, you can even record voice over narration. You can record voice over narration for the entire presentation. This is useful if you plan on using your slideshow for self-running presentation or a video. Your mouse won't show up on the screen in recorded slideshow. So if you want to point out details on the screen, you can use PowerPoint. PowerPoint laser pointer in the slideshow. So how do we record our slideshow? To record slide, simply click on slideshow. You are there already, the tab. So click record slideshow. Simply click record slideshow. This is record slideshow. Now there is option. Once you click on it, there is a downward arrow from current. You can start recording from current slide or from the beginning. So if you want to record, you can start recording from the beginning of your presentation or from the current slide. You can clear timing on current slide. If you want, you can clear timing. That's clear timing on all slides. You can clear narration on slide. You can clear narration on all slides. So depending on how you want it. So once you are done, just click record from the beginning. Now you can see this is record mode. Now this slide will start recording. It will soon start recording. So once you are there, select the desired option that you want. Remember, you can only record narration if you have microphone on. Now my microphone is on right here now. So here my microphone is on. So if you click on this, we see microphone, array, Intel, camera, clear recording on slide. So you can also come back here and go back to do your editing. So let's go back to where we were. Okay, this is we are still at so record. So you can simply click record from the beginning. So once you click, it will start recording. But this This presentation is pre-recorded already, so this circle here will turn red, so you can record on all slides. Now you can see it is starting, so it has started to record afresh. So that is that. So if you want to pause, you can easily pause in this place. If you want to stop recording, just click on it, it automatically stop recording. So by that, the presentation has stopped recording like that. And when you are through, simply click escape key, it will go back to your slide. So your slideshow timing and narration are now included in your presentation. Once you are done recording, it's now included in your presentation. So the slide with the narration will be marked with speaker icon. Now look at this. This is where we recorded. Look at, there is a speaker icon here to show that we have recorded. Now under it you see audio. You know, when we talked about inserting audio and editing audio, we have something like this where we can easily review what we have learned and proceed from there. So to point out details during your recording, so simply press and hold your control key on your keyboard. You know, control key on your keyboard, your cursor will show up as laser pointer. So laser pointer, so you move your mouse to indicate the desired details. Release the control key when you are finished pointing out things on the screen. So let's go back. See, so hold your control key and take your mouse. You can see the mouse is appearing as laser, and you can see this. So if you want to point out details, so you can easily hold your control key and point out details from your presentation. So that is that. Now to remove narration, you want to remove narration or timing from your recorded slide. What do? We want to remove narration. Simply click on the same slideshow. So click on record slideshow drop down menu. So here we are, I've showed us earlier. So from here now, you can now click on clear timing on all slide. This is clear timing on all slide. So the moment I click it, it will clear the timing from all the slides. So whichever one suits your need, you can just click on it and proceed from there. So that is that about recording slideshow, and also rehearse timing for our slideshow. So that is that. So let's proceed to the next one. Now we are going to talk about sharing presentation. So PowerPoint offers several options to enhance or even totally change the way you deliver your presentation. So instead of telling your slideshow, maybe normally you can choose to present it as a video, or you can broadcast it live online so that people can view it remotely. When you want people to view it wherever they are, you can do that. So whichever way you choose, you can enhance it by customizing your slideshow to remove or even reorder and printing handouts. You know, it helps your audience to take notes. All these options can help you give a polished and professional presentation. So depending on whatever suits your need, it's not compulsory to use all these methods, but at times some of these methods might be useful. It's good to know them right now so that when the need arises, you can easily take advantage and use it. So how do we present our slideshow as a video? Presenting your slideshow as a video. So there is a feature called create a video feature, which allows you to save your presentation as a video. So this can be useful because it lets viewers watch the presentation whenever they want. To make sure your viewers have time to view each slide, you might want to rehearse the timing or record your slide before using the feature to create your presentation as a video. Now, how do we create a video file? Simply click on the file tab. It takes us to the backstage view. So from there, you click save here I'm clicking save a copy on this version, but on older version, maybe 2010 upward, you can find something like save and send. But here it's asking me to save a copy. So from there I will come to the dialog box. It brings this dialog box out. So from there you can create a video. So if I want to do that here, I can start to also share from here. So save a copy, brought us to this place. Now from this option here, you can just browse your location that you want your presentation to be saved, or your video to be saved. So simply come in here and select a video file. See, you can create it as MP4, MPEG-4 video, or window media video, which is WMV. So these two are both video files. So whichever one you want, just click on it, then you can save. From there, once you save, it will start to render. Let me click save so I can see how it is. And when you click save, it automatically starts to render. Now if you look down here now, it's already saving, and at times saving takes time at times, depending on the size of your file. So say it's saving take time too at times. Then another thing you can also do, you can also export. Now you can, when you come to export, see options in export. Here it says create a video file. Here create animated GIF. You can package your presentation for CD. You can create handouts from here. So from there I can come back and click video file. Now when I click on create video file, if you read this option here, now if you are using the older version of Microsoft Office, you need to pay attention clearly. Now this one says export your presentation as a video that you can share with others. So include all recorded timing, narration, ink, stroke, and laser gestures. Preserve animation, transition, and media. So whatever animation you've put, it will preserve it for you. Then it now comes to the size of the file. You can come in here. What size do you want? The standard 480 p. We have HD 720p, which is a medium of 1280 720, or full HD, which is full high definition. It's going to be heavy, or ultra HD, which is 4K. So be careful of the one if you choose 4K, the size will be very, very heavy and might be difficult for you to share online. So you have to be very careful of what you choose. So now then you come down here and click here. Now you can see it says don't use recorded timing and narration, meaning that all slides will use the default duration set below by narration. Any narration will be omitted from the video, meaning that if you are going to choose this, automatically it will remove whatever narration you have put. It clears it off, so your video might come out as blank. It will just be moving, but you will not hear anything. Then use recorded timings and narration, that is all slides without timing will use the default duration set. So this option includes ink and laser gesture like that. Then you can also record a video here also. If you want to do that, you can record a video. Then once you are done setting this, you come into this place. You can now spend, okay, how many minutes or how many seconds you want to spend on each slide. So from there you can now set the default timing here. Then you click on create video. So once you click on create video, automatically it will bring this dialog box for you. Then you can now start saving your video. So from when you start saving your video, if I click OK right now, export to video, then you will see down here it says exporting video. So this exporting and creating video, they are two of the same kind. That is, they go hand in hand. Then you can also do that same thing here in this record option here. You can export to video from this record tab also. from there. So that is that. So in addition to emailing your video, you can upload your video to free sharing sites, just as I am doing right now. Once this video is completed, the training is completed, automatically I will convert it to video, then upload it to my YouTube channel. Now you can upload it to YouTube or any video sharing site. You can do that same thing. So YouTube as a platform offer guides to creating an account, and so you can upload your video. Once video is uploaded, you can give the link to anyone, just like I share the link with everyone, so they will go there and watch your video right there on YouTube. Next thing we are going to learn is to screen record. I'm not sure if the older version of Microsoft Office have screen recording, but you can check. But here in this particular version, that's screen record. So simply click on screen record. Now this will help me as I am doing the presentation. It can always record what I am doing. Now if you can see, so you select the area, click on it, select the area you want to record. So if I want the whole of my screen, I can just select the screen to record. So this one, you can use this to record whatever you are doing, and automatically it is recorded. So once you are done selecting the area you want to record, just click record. It automatically starts recording immediately. So that is that. Then customizing your slideshow. You might want to hide a slide while presenting in your presentation. For instance, if you are presenting a slideshow to more than one group of people, so hiding or even rearranging certain slides can help you to tailor whatever you are. So if I want to do my presentation and I don't want to show every part, or I just maybe the part I can rearrange, or I can set to hide some part. So how do we create a custom slideshow? So simply come to your presentation. Now here you will see custom slideshow. Simply click custom slideshow. So from there you will see custom shows. You will see this one say to narrate custom show 1, then you can just click custom show. So in this place now, so the moment you click it, custom slideshow, so this automatically appears. Simply create new, click on new. Now the moment you click on new, it brings out all the slides that you have in your presentation. You see, so anyone that I want to present, so locate all the slides by name. Now each slide is located here. Let's say I want number 1, I can just mark it. So as I'm marking it, you will see there is a button here. You say add. So let's say I want to create this. These are the ones I want, and I'll just click on add. See, it automatically add them into the other part. So that is great. And once that is done, you can also rearrange in this place. You can remove, click on remove. You can move up. Maybe you want to move up. You can also move down. So depending on how you want your slide to appear. So if you have a slide of about 50 slides and you need to maybe all the majority part of information, you don't need to share it. So simply pick maybe 10 or 20 depending on what you want. You arrange it how you want it to come out, then you can share it, create a custom slide. So once you are done, simply click OK. You can see it has already put here custom slideshow 2, because there was one I created before. This is number 2 of it. So once you are done, you can simply either close it or show it. So if you want to show it, you can click show. So this is the one that I picked. So once I click show, see, those are the first slide that I picked, and that is just a custom slide. So this will help you while you are doing presentations. You don't need to give too many information, just go straight to the point. So that's it. So you can also hide slide by selecting hide slide or add slide command. You can hide slides. Maybe there is a hard slide here. Just click on it. You can hide the slide, and you can also unhide the slide. So if I want to hide this particular slide, I can just come in and click hide slide. It automatically hide it. So now if you see from, if you check this slide pane, let me make it bigger. You find out that the particular slide that I hide is now blurred. It's not sharp as the others. So that one has been, I've already hide that particular slide. So if I want to, this particular one, if I want to bring it out, I can just click on hide. Now you see it's back, so that's been on hide. So that's now creating handouts of our presentation. How do we create an handout of our presentation? So printing handouts with image of your slide can be helpful to your audience. A lecturer, want to give your audience notes, so it can be helpful to give them maybe a hard copy of the information which you are presenting. Now, to create handouts of presentation, simply just go to file, just click on file, so we are at the backstage review, so backstage view, so just click print. Now once you click print, simply go down, click the full page slide, then locate, and now here this is full page slide, click it. Now from here you can see handouts. So maybe if you have a particular document, you don't want to waste ink, the document is much, then you can now click handout. Now you can, if you look at this page now, handout, this one is 1 slide, 2 slides, 3 slides, 4 slides. So depending on whatever you want. So if I click on 6 slides, automatically bring out this 6 slides. So this is handout of 6 slides per presentation. So that is it. So if I want maybe 9, I can just come back to that place and click 9. So if I want maybe 9 makes too small, I can just go back and pick 2, or go back there and pick 3, or simply go back and pick 4. And once that is done, I will be okay. So that is that about our handout. So thank you very much. Our next topic tonight is going to be slide master view. Slide master view. Now, what is slide master view? Slide master view is simply a special mode in PowerPoint that allows you to modify slides and slide layout in your presentation. So you may have noticed that when you select a different thing from PowerPoint, it rearranges the text on your slides and adds shapes to the background. This is because each theme has a built-in slide layout and background graphics. You can edit this layout with features called slide master. Slide master view. So that is that. So in every slide master, in any slide master view, the slide master tab will appear first on the ribbon. Now let's go. Now let's go to view. From the view, locate the master view, click slide master. Well, let me go back and use the previous presentation. So here, let me go to view, locate slide master. Now look at it. This is more like designing a template for our presentation. You can design your own by yourself if you want. You can modify to suit your need. Now you may have seen some unique presentation, maybe by some consulting firms or online templates. Whoever designed it, this is what the person used to design it, and you can modify it to suit your need. Now this is slide master tab. Now if you look at it, you will see edit master, master layout, edit theme, background, even the size of your slide. If you want to check the size, you can choose which one suits your need from here. Now let us go. Let's get to know more of it. So this is the slide master tab. As I said earlier, these are the layouts. These are the layouts of the slide. You can see each slide has been designed, so any of the slide that goes with any of this layout will change to this, no matter what you put on it or on the document. Now, using slide master view, whether you are making significant change to your slide or just few small tweaks, maybe you just want to do a small adjustment to the slide, so master view can help you do that. So you can use slide master to change just about anything in your presentation. But okay, here are some of the common use. For instance, you want to modify background. Now you can see, look at this background. It's made up of 3 colors. This color overlay on this particular color and white. 3 colors overlay over each other to form this. You have your placeholder here and the footer and others. So modify your background. So this makes it easy to customize the background for all your slides. At the same time, you could add watermark if you want. You can add watermark if you want. You can do. Now look at it here. If I want to change the color, I can come in here and pick any theme of my choice, or simply come in here and pick a color theme. Now as I'm picking it, you can see the color scheme is changing. So I can put this. Now you see, the moment I click on this, the whole color has changed. So depending on, so if you see a template and you feel the color, you like the template but you don't like the color, just come to your slide master and change the color of the background. You can rearrange your placeholder. These are called placeholder. This is placeholder for text and other medias. This is another placeholder here. So if I come in here, you can rearrange it the way you want it. You can rearrange as you want it. Then you can also customize your text. The formatting of your text, you can customize it. You can also create unique slide layout. So if you want to create a presentation that looks different from regular PowerPoint themes, you could do that with your slide master. You can create a blank. So if, let's say I want to do that, I have another one here. I want to create a different. So from here now, let's say I want to pick a theme for myself. I just click on this. Then I can add further shapes, like here now. I want to add placeholder. So you want to add placeholder, just click on placeholder. Now as you can see, the moment I click on placeholder for text, I have added this particular text. So if I want to add other graphics or other shapes to help me, let me try and pick a triangle here. I can start to draw a triangle in here right now. This is just an example of how to add background graphics to our work. Then once I do that, I can send it backward. So now that I send it backward, you can see that the text is underneath it. Bring this forward. Now look at it. I can try to change the color if I want. So on this particular layout, you can do more. I can add another shape. Let's say I want to add another shape to this. I can come in here and draw my circle, draw an oval shape, and I want it to connect with this particular one here. So let me change color of this. You can change the color, you can fill it with another color of your choice. You can pick further color. Then you can also make it more transparent if you feel. You can make it more transparent. So you can do more from it. So that's background graphics. Some overall presentation changes, such as like theme, font. I have choose my theme color. I chose my theme color earlier, and I can also do more. So background style. How do you want your background to also be? You can pick your background style from here. So you can design each slide individually, and you can design each slide, all the slides as a whole. So to make changes to all the slides, you want to make changes to all the slides. So if you want to, let's go back to our, now this is what we are. You want to make changes to all the slides. So if you want to change maybe something on all the slides of your presentation, you can edit it from slide. Let's say the footer, for instance. You want it to appear as, maybe I want Damage Echo to appear as a footer on all the pages. I can just type it here and effect it on all the pages. To make changes to all slides, if you want to change something on all slides for your presentation, so you can edit the slide master. You can edit the slide master. So simply come to your view. Yes, we are there. You locate slide master. Just click on slide master, and in this slide tab, this navigation pane, simply go to click on the first slide, which we are right now. The first slide. I want something to appear on all slides. So let's say in the footer, I want to put I want Damage Tech Up to appear on all the sheets. I want to make it bolder and bigger. I want this to appear on all the sheets. I have typed it there. So you can use the desired tab, maybe a picture, maybe something. Use the desired tab on the ribbon, any tab on the ribbon. Maybe the inserts, maybe you want to insert an object, you can come in here. Maybe you want to insert a shape, something. So I want to insert a star. Insert your star and probably send it. You can insert your star somewhere here, and you can pick the type of star or then send backward. So whatever you do on this particular one, you can just add it. You can add picture, you can add logo, you can add shapes. So when you are finished doing that, you simply close. Once you are done, you can see what I added here has appeared on all the slides. That appear on all the slides. Let me change the color. Let me change the color to another color. I want to change the color. So as you can see, it automatically appears on all the slides. So that is how to modify or edit your slide master. Once you are done, simply come in here and click close slide master. That changes I made earlier now it has appeared on all the slides. To customize your slide layout, you can also customize your slide layout. Click your slide master view. Now if you can see your slide master view, you will see. So locate and select the desired layout in the navigation pane. So this is the navigation pane. Select the desired layout from here. Select the desired layout from here. You can hover your mouse over each layout. You can over each layout to see which slide are currently using this layout in the presentation. So you can see then from there, in some layouts the background graphics may be hidden. You can also create new slide layouts. You can also customize your text. When you want to customize your text from here, you simply click your home key and select what type of text you want to appear there. what is it like this one now? This is Franklin Gothic. You can change it to another you can change it to another font style. So I can decide to change it to this. So the moment I change it, the font style has changed. So just practice with it as much as you want. You can create new slide layout if you want. So, and once you are done, you can decide to rename a custom slide layout, a custom layout. You can rename a custom layout if you have created it. So from edit slide master, from here, let's say we just created this and want to rename it. You can just click on rename here and renaming any name. Like this one is named as two content. You can give it your own name, so that will also help. You can also use your custom layout in other presentation. So when you modify the master or the layout in the slide view, you are actually creating a custom version. So custom means it is created by you. So it is created by you. So you can also do that. So you need to save it. So when you save it, it will be available. So to save a theme just simply select your slide master. Select the slide master, then click on themes. This is theme. This is theme. Just look for, these are custom themes. Then simply go to browse for all. Just click save theme. Once save theme, the theme is saved. So if you are not in slide master view, you can save the theme from the design tab. So if you can also save the theme from design tab if you are not on slide master. So that is that about slide master. So thank you very much. Creating photo album. Now on day 3 we talked about editing a photo. That is one, how to create photo album in PowerPoint. Now, creating a photo album. PowerPoint, as we know, allows us to do a lot of things. So PowerPoint allows you to import a set of pictures into a photo album presentation. So with the photo album feature, you can select, rearrange, adjust, and add text to your pictures. Even by default, one picture will appear on each slide, but you can also adjust the slide layout to include multiple images if you want. If you want, you can include multiple images. So to create an album, simply come to click on Insert tab. Just simply click on Insert. Then in the image group, click on Photo Album. Now you can see, if you click on it, say New Photo Album. Just click on Photo Album, New. Now clicking on Photo Album, this is the dialog box came out as Photo Album. So from there, it says insert picture from file or disk, insert text, new text box, and so on like that. So let's click inside from file or disk. Click on it. It takes us into our system to locate files. So let me locate some. I don't really have pictures on this system, so let's see if I can. Screenshots. Okay, I have a passport, so let me just insert passport alone. Now as you can see, the moment I click on the passport, it brought it to the other side. Now you have option. If you come down, you can make it, you can insert new text box too, which makes it 2. Now you can include all pictures to be black and white. Just click on it. If you have multiple objects, you can rearrange, you can remove from here. You can fit to slide. You say picture 1, picture 2. Okay, 1 picture. You can also pick from here 1 picture, 2 pictures, maybe 4 pictures if you want it. So one picture with title, two picture with title, depending on whatever you want. So meaning that if as I pick 4 pictures now, that slide is going to contain 4 pictures. You can also browse for theme, any theme of your choice, browse for it. If you have saved any theme before, you can browse for it and use it from there. So once you are done, simply then you also highlight and click create. Now this is the photo album now, but because I have just one picture, this is what, if I have multiple pictures, more pictures is going to appear right here. So that is it. So you can select as many pictures as possible to insert into your slide. You can fit into your slide, then from there you can edit, you can adjust, and that's how to start photo album. But for those of you that have PowerPoint 2010, there is a particular template. If you check your template, there is a particular template that is specifically for photo album in Microsoft Office Microsoft PowerPoint 2010. So you can check out for it. So that's it. Then thank you. So our next topic is going to be adding callout to image. This is going to be our last topic for tonight. We'll wrap up our training on PowerPoint once and for all. So callout, adding callout to pages. In previous class, we learned about inserting image. So we also illustrated how to add images and screenshots to our slides. So you may want to draw attention of people to a specific part of your image. So you can just simply add callout. Now, earlier I created a photo album. So this is the further designs that I have on it. Now, if I want to add a callout to this particular image, this passport that I have on this screen right now. So simply to add callout, simply go to your insert tab. Simply go to insert tab and locate in that illustration, locate shapes, then go down and locate callouts. See callout, there are different types of callouts. Pick anyone that suits. Let's say I pick this. Once you pick it, you click, then you drag it. You can drag, you can decide to drag it here. So just draw a callout here over this image. So you can edit it as you want. So once you drag or you drop your image, then if you want to type, you can easily click in the text and type. Maybe you can say, okay, just type inside. That means passports. So I just type this. If this is a callout, to show this is Dami's passport. So you will see, if you go up, you will see format tab here. Format. So you can also format the shape right there. So if you want to format the shape, you can come in here and pick what type of text you want to appear inside it. You can change the text. You can also edit the shape further by picking the type of shape you want on your table. Now you can fill it. You can fill the color with different colors. You can have effects on it. These are 3D effects. You can add more effects depending on what you want. Now, the purpose of all this is so that you can get creative at your leisure. bring out your system and practice with these things. Or if you see something that you like outside, maybe you see a presentation, you can put it down and create something. So the call out should appear, which has already appeared on the system now. So if the call out appear behind your image, you can simply come in here and say bring forward or bring back. So depending on how you want it to appear. So this will help us. So with this we have come to the end of our training on PowerPoint, and I hope we've learned a lot. So if there is any question or any issue, simply send me a DM or send me a mail, chat me via WhatsApp, or simply send me a mail. So thank you very much, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel and watch the videos that is available. So thank you very much.